For we ready to start, I would like to request everyone to please avoid aiming unnecessary buildings unless kailangan dito sa lyrics. Please avoid sleeping if you are here to learn. So ang topic is lesson 12, vocal vision and body organism. So I would like to ask any idea in the class about your idea of any fungal diseases that you may encounter or you may move up from the internet or even in your personal experiences. Can I ask Belle any fungal diseases or fish or in aquatic organisms that you have encountered from the first year until now or kanang mga experience as a fishery student? Please avoid talking. Or what comes in your mind when you hear the word fungal diseases? How about MJ? What comes in your mind when you hear the word or ano sa word ng fungal diseases? So, we have two objectives to this topic. Ang una is identify the common fungal pathogens in fisheries. And the second one is discuss environmental factors influencing fungal infections. So, introduction. Fungal diseases in aquatic organisms are a major challenge for both aquaculture and health fisheries, causing significant economic losses and health impacts. So, as we all know that kanang mga fungal diseases sa village control, it will harm or maka-loss sa atong economy since kanang we are in a kanang kuan man mga islands, so most of us is kasaligid sa kanang fisheries sector, especially the aquaculture. So, dili siya na tumakuan, siya ang number one niyang kuan tanang problema karon sa ato ang fisheries na field. So, these infections typically occur when environmental stressors or injuries compromise fish defenses, allowing opportunistic pathogens to establish themselves. So, ang manowar factor para kay environmental stressors, manaog ang once ba yung mga ma-expose ang usa ka organisms or any fish usa ka environmental stressors, may possibility nga mag-kill lang yung sistema na siya dali sila ng mga diseases, especially the mga fungal diseases. So, ang mga fungal diseases is mga may cause na is mga fungus or mga fungi. So, common fungal pathogens na siya two kinds ang homicides or the water moles, growth fungi na yung mycota. So, ang una is saprolithiasis, branchiomycosis, epizootic ulcer, Ractive syndrome, echinococciasis, then growth fungi kay aspergillosis, then fusarium and colosmosis. Ato na siya ni-discuss for example sa or may bawan ninyo ang yung kanang main causes kung siya mga treatment or may wato na para na specific fungal disease. So, ang una is saprolithiasis are a genus of freshwater ammocytes or the water moles known as opportunistic pathogens that can cause peniasis, commonly recognized by cotton-like white or gray patches in the skin gills. Kapag mo sa picture no, tawas yung mga cellphone, hindi kayo maglaruari. So these organisms, particularly the S. parasitica, are major of the fecal pathogens and aquaculture that try to injured or stressed fish. So, kasadara matagtanan ng mga isda is katong mga injured or na stressed na fish na naka-contribute with ang environmental stressor which are the water parameters. So, ang example lang is ang salmon. Then, sa fish is mga example lang yung ng isang salmon. Then sa other aquatic organisms is kanang mga frogs. As we all know, frogs ay mga webshoots in an aquatic environment. So, ang iyang impact ay significant mortality in freshwater fish, especially in aquaculture. So, kani pala nga kanang itself na fungal disease, grabe niya siya impact sa aquaculture. So, signs and symptoms: white cotton-like growths in skin, face, or gills, lethargy, loss of appetite. So, mali siya, kanang mo rin siya gamoton-boton. Naklaro siya yung mga pictures. Kanina datan siya na Jana, Milano, Gian, ay Lorene. And ang treatment na ito nga mapili buhatan ng specific fungal disease is improve groundwater quality, then use an anti-fungal treatments like malasite, green, or formalin. So, pili rin siya itong parang formalin. So, immersion ka ng mag-kuwan ka ng specific siya nga ka ng ratio, then immersion ito. Dili siya kay ka nang siya ka ng specific na mga-tolerate siya, na immersion siya pangkay sa fungal disease. Nara siya ka ng specific na formalin para art para na nasa delivery. We will tackle that in our next year. The second one is branchiomycosis, commonly known as gill rot. So, ano yung nasa fungal disease is gill rot, dito siya yung target ng ating gills. Then, is a severe, often fatal fungal infection affecting the gills of freshwater fish caused by branchiomyces, sanguinesis, and veal demigrans. It typically occurs in warm water above 20 degrees Celsius with a high organic loads causing severe respiratory distress, necrotic or deep vein tissue, and high mortality. So, si branchiomycosis is yung target which is ang iyang gills. As we all know, gills kay very important na siya basically in order para makasurvive in an aquatic environment, especially sa marine. So, an example ng isda is ang Indian major carp, and impact cause gill rot due to respiratory disease and mortality in fish. So, ang una siya ng mga to sa ano siya sa gills, but sa hindi pa is mag-affect siya sa respiratory sa isang kaisda. Then, signs and symptoms: pale gills, rapid movement of perculum, gulping air. Mana ang signs and symptoms sa usa ka isda nga natakdan sa fungal disease nga branchiomycosis. Then, ayun treatment kay improve water quality dyan po. Mao na yung mabot na ito kay since ka nang we are focusing on aquaculture man, so improve na ito ang water quality kay controlled environment lang siya. Unlike sa kanang open sea or kanang mga dagat na dyan kay dito na control. Then, use anti-fungal treatments like malasite or green or formalin. So, same treatment mo. Huwag na akong dito as to examination.
kan. So, pagkat ang may problem yan ay yes, mag-process siya o treatment ay improve water quality, use ang fungal treatment, treatment very creative in measurement. So, ano yun? Hindi rin ato pag manisa sila mas kaya ba na visualize is the water. Continues to what this is a widespread serious fungal disease in fish caused by rotis or Ichthyosis occurring the Vernacular species widespread as Vernacular organs like the heart and muscles ng organ of the tira-tirawan. Tabihan with the itak na yung mga either black spots or white spots. One thing and often death with no real reliable treatment. So, infection is significant in both wild marine and freshwater fish, with like herring or salmon. And aquaculture characterized and very bodies and tissues and is diagnosed through issues in the window. Example, muli sila ang isda, sigaran makikita ay dark spots and frostbite sa dito kasi makita sa gawas nila ang stigma infection yung dami sa sulod. Ang treatment na rin, wala ko yun ang problem treatment na ang banner ni prevention sa ilang perspective or ilang paano rin sa mga activities na paano yung lesson. The aspergillosis, aspergillosis is often fatal fungal infection caused by aspergillosis. Only dun ay makita mo sa iyang mga gill damage which is abnormal ito ayaw yung gills niya ay abnormal ito affected ayaw langoy stress siyempre isa may hindi stress niya one this below really crucial sa fish para mo breathe below nearly optimize fish in the water quality conditions the best fish damage feeds and the conditions siyempre hindi naman ano isda ulcers siyempre hindi ako kayo siya mas mas wala mo gano'n sa siya doon siya sa and realize stress conditions fish quality pwedeng maton aspergillosis example Ano siya, which is kind of agol na i-mix sa water. Sa fish para ma-produce ko ng information sa Ariel species caused by serious fungal infection in marine brackish and freshwater, often leading to high mortality, particularly in stress or compromised animals. The fungus gives the ulcers na mga saman, localized epidermal lesions, chronic vermiculinius or widespread. Goldfish, abnormalities, goldfish, ito yung testis niya na nagpansin kung ano siya siya po Azul. Opportunistic fungal pathogens. Often leading to low level morality, causes infections, malaria, through bladder, presenting abnormal swimming, performance, abdominal swell, thermomagnetism, and gets into a weak pathogen. Ang signs makita niyo mga abnormal sa swimming or magtakilit na ang wanang balito niya kay formalin daw.
So, naman ako kung ano to classification of kanang fungal diseases. Mo to ang pinaka-common sa aquatic environment sa freshwater, both freshwater, marine, and brackish water. So, ano na po sa fungal parasites and marine algae. So, online na po siya ng information since this is recorded in the article. So, ang una is reed rot disease. Reed rot disease caused probably by the parasite and sometimes Pythium porphyry and sometimes P. chondricola. Is a devastating widespread infection affecting cultivated pyracea or the Labrador nori in East Asia. It causes red necrotic patches in the talus, rapidly leading to total crop destructions in buildings, impacting on agriculture. So mauni ang kanang effects sa kanang red rot disease sa kanang nori. Nori is punish na kanang seaweed. So, treatments for red rot and marine algae kay katong focus ni kung gawin ang reset options from lateral blades. So, pwede rin siya ka ng manumanawin siya po ang remove. Next, kay racing disease caused by Lowenthia thalassiae is a specific fungal infection that affects certain types of brown algae, most notably in the genus Sargassum. It is characterized by the deformation of the seaweed where tissues shrink and wrinkle presumably are racing. So, mali siya ang kanang racing disease. Kung siya makita sa mga seaweed, especially sa Sargassum species. Then, effective proper treatments focus on environmental management, chemical prevention, and early detection. So, mali siya sa aquaculture kasi mas kuwan siya effective ang prevention is better than cure. Then next is citrate infections caused by the Citridium mycota or significant parasites of phytoplankton or the microalgae and diet comes to coastal waters and polar ice. These infections are in part influenced by local factors like temperature as they regularly keep in warmer and frigid conditions. So, mauni si citrate infections. Next is corals na kita. Wala mga kwan siya ka mga common na aspergillosis. Ang aspergillosis is makakapit siya sa corals. Caused by fungus aspergillus siduli. This disease primarily affects sea plants and Norwegian corals like Arabian Pacific. It is characterized by tissue loss or destruction of the coral skeleton and formation of purple galls. So, mauni siya ang kuating sa aspergillosis sa iyang effect sa kanang corals. Makaroon na. Next is dermocytosis caused by Perkinsus marinus and algae parasite of this kind alongside fungal pathogens. Ang kanya kay water tissues, low crossing, and juice growth. So, ano siya ang common sa mga kanang kuantitaw mga oysters or yung mga bivalve mga seashells. Then, ano yung among mga objectives, ang environmental factors influencing fungal infections. So, ang number one is ang water quality. Kaya sa usa ka aquaculture system, for ang water quality, it can lead to stress sa usa ka isda. It can lead also to weaken the immune system. If weak ang immune system, there is lang that any fungal or bacterial or any kind of pathogenic kanang mga microorganisms. And the next one is the temperature. Temperature affects the growth and virulence of fungal pathogens. Diba, as kanang we have discussed in the previous topics, na yung mga microorganisms that can tolerate in a wide range of temperature. Nangay kasi klase nga kanang mga panan na itong sa previous topics. O na maka-affect yun ang kanang maka-influence ang temperature. Kaya na ay mga microorganisms na makabuhi sa high temperature na tulad sa moderate then sa high at sa pinaka-very high. And next is a pH level. Fungal pathogens like Bronchiomycosis primarily slightly acidic or neutral pH. So, ang pH level makapit siya kay napoy uban microorganisms na mag-refer siya o kanang acidic o napoy uban kay base, napoy uban kay neutral ra ang iyang pH level. And next is the DO or the dissolved oxygen. So, low BO levels can stress patient increase their susceptibility to fungal infections. Brachiomycosis can thrive in low BO environment. So, ano yung number one example ito? Na diba ito, ang mga kuan na mabuhi with oxygen, or without oxygen, or in low level of oxygen. Then, kanang one side, kanang kebang mo, kanang what do you mean susceptibility? Yes, kanang dali siya, kanang vulnerable siya sa usa ka sakit. And the next is the presence of other pathogens. CPO infections with other pathogens such as bacteria or parasites can weaken tissue system and increase the susceptibility to fungal diseases. So, ano siya, if ever na po yung presence ng other microorganisms like ang mga bacteria, bilang discuss, mga fungal, or mga viruses, or any pa ng mga harmful microorganisms. Maka-experience siya sa infection sa usa ka isda or any aquatic organisms. So, prevention and control. Ano ang mga kanang pamaagi to prevent and to control those kanang mga common fungal diseases sa mga aquaculture sector? So, number one is sanitation and hygiene. Remove infected fish, dead fish, and debris from the pond that can prevent the spread of fungal spores. So, ano is kanang once kayo nga makabantay mo nga kanang itahay kita kay mabuhi mo siya sa atong fish nutrition. If ever kayo makabantay, tanganaan ng mga individual kay isda, ato asya siya i-remove dali-dali to avoid nga mo-spread, then atong change water na kay atong as soon as we can, ay kana as being as we can, ato asya ma-inload siya. Dapat karang wala na yung mga any debris na mabilin kay para kay katong magagawag mabilin ko siya, mas ito siya nabili na itong mga fungal disease, so ano po ito masukdan. So, dili po effective ang mag-iwan sa mga infected. So, mas effective siya, hindi mo sumayan ka ng pag-ingredient siya, ka ng deep cleaning sa usa ka na controlled environment ka sa taas. Then, water quality management, maintain good water quality when pH level and make sure on the salt oxygen levels. So, it is important na sa ato ang culture, mag-monitor siya sa different kind of water parameters like the pH level, ammonia level, and current temperature, para makakuanta, ato na siya i-maintain, para maintain ko na po ang ka-healthy sa atong isda. Next is disinfection. Use disinfectants like chlorine, potassium, permanganate, or formaldehyde water treatment. So, before mo mag-culture, dapat sa mag-treat muna sa inyong gamit ito, like ang mga aquarium, or mag-udod ang tubig kayo para to avoid na matubuhan siya ng inyong disease. Gets? Next is kanang probiotics. Use probiotics to promote a healthy gut microbiome and prevent fungal infection. So, advisable po na magamit ang mga probiotics para ma-improve po ang kanang health sa ating fish. And then, biosecurity management. Implement biosecurity measures such as food baths, hand sanitizer, and disinfection to prevent the spread of fungal infections. So, kaning biosecurity management is mauni siya sa usa ka setup o sa usa ka aquaculture na kanang setup before ka mapasulod og ini nga mga visitors, di mo siya sila gibutbat o na yung gibutbat para to ensure nga ang ilang mas sila gida nga mga any opportunistic pathogens na maka-cause o kanang harm sa inyong ibuhi. Then, kanang wansad, kanang sanitizer, magbutang sanitizer sa entrance. Ako na siya, then, equipment disinfection to prevent the spread of fungal pathogens. Discuss ito. So, conclusion. Fungal diseases are a significant threat to fish health in aquaculture. Aquaculture prevention and control measures are crucial to minimize losses and promote sustainable aquaculture practices. By implementing good sanitation, water quality management, and biosecurity measures, fish farmers can reduce their risk of fungal infections. So, in conclusion, it is important na sa ato ang ugmusog kita sa aquaculture na industry dapat ka lang about yung tao na how to manage those ka lang mga common fungal diseases, not just like mga fungal but also all mga opportunistic pathogens, especially para mga microorganisms, para kay since po siya is a businessman job, ang dili ko ka makalkansi, kay i-upload ka, bumili ka galaw ng mga pera, mas pamitan, gini siya ang mo pagmagpuyo. So, mana ang overall conclusion sa ang kanang report, which is all about the fungal diseases in fish and aquatic organisms. And if you have any kanang mga kalibugan, mga questions or very reactions, we are free to assist you. Nakasama na mo sa mong topic? So, morning ko episodic ulcer repeat syndrome. Episodic ulcer repeat syndrome, or the EUS, is a severe seasonal and highly infectious disease caused by the site fungus, Panomyces invadans, affecting over 1 species of wild and farfish, water and destroyed fish. It causes ulcers leading to significant economic losses of culture, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. So, mali siya ginatawag na itong episodic ulcerative syndrome, kaya yung kanang nakuha dyan yung kuhan mo effects sa sinasdaan. Nakuha yung sa mud ka na kuhan. Dahil ang yung kuhan ni kanang example, kaya kung tanong example is kanang Atlantic menhaden crayfish, ay Atlantic menhaden crayfish, ay ang impact kay causes significant mortality involved in farmfish, especially in tropical regions. And signs and symptoms, skin ulcers, lesions, and granulomas. Ano yung kanang signs and symptoms sa episodic ulcerative syndrome. Then, iyang treatment kay improve water quality, use antifungal treatments, and implement kay security measures. Mga akong gamitin din na sa atuang katong makakuan siya sa prevention and control. So, kanang focus dito sa aquaculture setup, so mas pabudyo na to ang water quality management. O mag-use of mga antibiotic or any fungal treatments bitaw. Available naman siya sa mga mga stores like mga agribets, since they are focused on selling sa ang mga supplies when it comes to agriculture, but since this is under the agriculture department's man, so usa na siya tanan. Next is echinocomiasis. Echinocomiasis is a widespread serious fungal-like disease in fish caused by the fruities. Echinocomiasis very leading to granulomas, nodules in organs like the heart and muscles, causing lethargy, emaciation, and often death with no reliable treatment, so potentially have bleeding, raw infected fish skin. The systematic infection is significant in both wild and marine freshwater fish. And aquaculture characterized with brittle bodies, tissues, and slightly through tissue examination. So, ang example is kaning brown nga isda. Then, impact niya kay cross-floating systematic disease in fish. So, dili natin siya kanang makita siya na physically kay kaya dito nabot kay ang immune system sa mga isda. Then, grand signs symptoms to the lowest internal organ or skin lesion. So, ako say ichthyopoiesis. Then, treatment, non-effective treatment, focus on prevention and biosecurity. So, I should say, ichthyopoiesis is kanang very harmful since parang wala po siya nakita ang treatment ani. So, ang tumawag ko is mag-focus siya sa prevention, which is mag-focus siya sa biosecurity management. Ano kung discuss nila? At hindi mo kami sa sunod ka ng mga visitors and out is victim them. Next is aspergillosis. Aspergillosis in fish is often fatal fungal infection caused by Aspergillus species, acting as an opportunistic pathogen stress, immunocompromised fish, and poor water quality conditions. It manifests through eroded gills, damaged fins, and skin lesion, which is typical. Prevention relies on reducing stress, energy, and vitality. So, ang example is kanang tilapia o shrimp. Impact causes respiratory and systematic disease in fish. So, more on po po siya sa kanang systems sa isda. Then, sa symptoms, brown gill, itchy, loss of appetite, kanang ang bawal isda. Then, ang treatment kay improve water quality, use of technologisment by ACRA or ISO. Morning ang kanang may treatment. So, nakabantay mo nga, very low nga ang improve water quality. Kasi kanang mapunin niya. Since more man halid na liquid, hindi pa siya kanang gasto. Next is ang Fusarium species. Fusarium species causes serious fungal infections in marine, brackish, and freshwater fish. Often lead to high mortality, particularly in stress or immunocompromised animals. The fungus causes skin ulcers, localized epidermal lesions, chronic granulomatous dermatitis, and systematic infections affecting internal organs. So, si Fusarium species is ganito, mas common siya kung kita sa mga stress fish or sa mga immunocompromised fish. Like, kanang na-compromised dito ang immune system, kung kanang na-weak na siya, tungkol po na sa mga environmental stressors na ilang na-experience. Basta sila ibutang or nakalagay. Then, ang example is kanang goldfish o kanang si crayfish. Then, isa impact on system systematic fish. Then, sinus symptoms can also be brought under neuromas. So, okay siya nga. So, siya mga sumunod siya sa then, treatment is for water quality and treatment, right? Same as lang mga treatment. Pero mas madali din natin si water quality. Next is the Puma species. Puma ribarium is a rare opportunistic fungal pathogen causing systematic necrosis, primarily affecting salmon, fry, and fingerlings and mushrooms. Often leading to low mortality. Air bladder abdominal swelling and hair so even though kanang bihira siya kanang taas, hindi siya ayaw kanang police, hindi siya kanang high mortality rate, but it is important gihapon nga aton siya makuha sa Puma species kay common siya sa mga fingerlings sa mga isda. Kailangan fingerlings. So, example is kanang salmon, then mussels, causes skin lesions, skin ulcer, granuloma, infection. Treatment, improve water quality, use of fungal treatments like formalin. So, mali sila. Sa kanang aquatic jud nga ay sa dagat jud nga kanang open, hindi ka magagamit mga treatment. Pero ang main point nila na is kanang paano mo sa akong mga demanda kay makakontribute yung small band up sa atong aquatic renaissance or the kanang aquatic environment. So, okay ra, nakakasabot ako. Sure mo. So, namin mga questions or hindi kalibutan. Ay, charot, napatay mo rin siya. Pwede ko makakapit ng galing. So, kani among kanang research article is ako na siya i-ugunsay na sa among research article akong pangutangari. Ang research article mao akong legal basis sa akong ipapakita ng information. So, among research article is a review of fungal diseases of algae, marine fishes, shrimps, and corals. Mga ko ang natong ipapakita ng mga fungal diseases. Wala ko lang yung kasan sa GC. Ay, ay, sa GC sa microbiology, ba wala ko kasi wala ko internet. So, ako alam, hindi ko alam mga highlight niya. So, abstract fungal diseases of algae, marine fishes, shrimps. So, kuan ra, in overall, kung sa akong discuss ari maor po ang sulod sa amo ang article. Kaya mao mo akong giapuran para namin legal basis. Kaya pasigay mo po video ba dyan, malimutan rin mga information. Kasi send and any such GC nga file, do you have any kalang kalibutan? You can always refer to the file na dito ang talang informations sa amo ang report. So, do you have any questions, Colleen? Dami ka matala. Yes, please. Kung tanan niya. Why ka matala kay kanang kaya mo matala ng ang iyong kanang main source ay kanang iyong symptom. Kanang like ang fungal sa fungi, ang iyong symptom. Yes. So, also, more on water walls bitaw. Nabi yan ay kanang nag-discuss kita kanang species of kanang fungi, different species of kanang bacteria and viruses. Muna, kanang hidden easily determined cases they are being classified based on their kanang nomenclature ay like sa iyong genus, sa iyong species, much na dili ka makaimong nga maglibog ka sa pag-differentiate ng fungal o bacteria. And from the word itself, fungal, so gikan din sa mga fungi na species. And from the word bacteria, gikan ko siya sa words sa mga bacteria na species. So, any confusion for that?
What happens based on this one, what are the differences between the two holidays? If that patients to appearances or
So, mga to ang katong common base katong mga water moves. Katong kasagaran dyan sa mga fungal disease is ka na mag-hormone dyan yung mga isda if na-infect na siya. Kaya sa bacteria na case is ka nang, dili kita siya makita like ka nang personal ay kaning evaluated ay dili to makaingon nga ka nang kuha siya process na kay kung ay ka nang bacteria. Kay sa fungal mong is makita mo lang kung mag-hormone siya. Diba, matay mga isda na magbibot, yung mga palit mo na or mga heels. So, paano mo na ma-differentiate ko na itong base sa species and genus sa microorganisms? Since ang discuss ka itong mga kung ano man, kaya dito na siya discuss na kanang it's a broad topic. Mabot tao pila ka simana para mag-discuss ang mo to ba para siya mga common. Image. Akin mo tanang kanang I just want to test if kanang nanihap mo. Pwede na mo tanang. Boleh gino. So, na ko, murag 5 questions. Bulin. Tahu sana ka kung sana. ato ang kanang question is kanang more on your personal opinion naman siya kanang I am not looking for kanang something legal basis. I just want to hear your opinion regarding this matter. So kanang I just want to ask your opinion on how as a previous student kanang kung saan man natupag kanang paano ito minimize or control the effect of kanang mga fungal diseases especially sa atong culture. Or specific example is ang ang mental health nga culture. I-discuss niya siya tanan pero matana siya ko galing na ko. Any opinion ra? No wrong answer. Kaya opinion naman ninyo based on your understanding. Yes, Lopez. Wala mga ikalibugan. Mag-base pa ito. Mag-base pa rin.
Ako na ang factor. Dapat ang effect 3 to 350 na. Please, start to 350.
Ang mag-base pa ito.
Labi yun.
Kailangan, sir.